Ticker TV. This is Ashi Singh with you. And with the New Year season coming ahead, we decided to bring you some great stock ideas which may enlighten your portfolios. Today we have Mr. Sudip Bandyopadhyay with us, Director of Inditrade Capital. Hello sir, Ticker TV wishes you a very happy New Year.
Well, I wish all the viewers a very happy and prosperous New Year.
Sir, do you see the bullish trend continuing in 2020?
I definitely see the bullish trend to continue. The market has been cautiously optimistic on the back of a couple of facts, one international and second domestic. The international being enough and more liquidity which has been pumped into the global markets by the banks in different countries. There will be enough emerging market exposure appetite amongst the global investors. Second, the reform measures which are being taken by the government of India, coupled with the fact that probably we have seen the worst as far as corporate performance is concerned, we believe that 2020 will be a good year for corporates and the markets. There will be a lot of catching up on the valuations by Indian corporates, and the earnings will start moving up. Definitely, select companies and select sectors will outperform, but overall the market mood will be bullish and buoyant.
So do you see any more reforms and market-friendly steps taken in the budget 2020?
Definitely. I think the government doesn't have much of a choice but to come up with multiple reforms to ensure that the economy comes back on track. We are witnessing a significant slowdown in multiple sectors, and the government needs to do something very quickly to ensure that the demand picks up, both rural as well as urban. Because of this particular reason, multiple measures are definitely expected from the government, whether in the budget or before budget or after budget. By and large, by the time we are in June 2020, I think Government of India would have unfolded a slew of reforms which will ensure demand picks up and corporates will definitely benefit.
So will the fund flow trend continue in 2020?
In fact, it may even improve. The way the global markets are shaping up, there is enough and more liquidity, and we don't see any signs of that liquidity flow ebbing. Under the circumstances, markets like India definitely will continue to attract significant international funds. Apart from that, domestic fund flows, which to an extent got into a problem, will also probably get unblocked, and domestic investors will also start reposing faith in Indian markets and start investing, whether it's HNIs or through PMS or even retail investors. We expect them to come back once the recovery process of the economy starts.
Sir, which is your 5 favorite stocks for 2020?
Well, I think economy is expected to improve, and if economy is expected to improve, certain sectors which can be bellwether will definitely show growth. We have been bullish on cement, and this first stock which comes to my mind is JK Cement. I think this is a fantastic company, predominantly operating in North and Central India, where there is demand and supply is less compared to demand, and pricing power is there. We expect JK Cement to give good results to the investor. The second stock, again in the cement segment, pretty much same logic, is Heidelberg Cement. We will recommend investment in Heidelberg Cement on the back of same logic. A, the government spending in infrastructure sector will pick up. B, they operate, both Heidelberg and JK Cement operate in northern and central India where demand outstrips supply. And C, I think both are very well and efficiently managed companies. The other sector from which I will like to recommend stocks will be the miscellaneous real estate related segments. Century Textiles is a company which predominantly now owns a couple of businesses, but more than businesses, it's a debt-free company with significant land banks in prime areas in Mumbai. And we believe that it can provide significant upside from current levels, and investors can get into. The third segment where we have been bullish is the healthcare segment, and in that segment Aster DM is a healthcare company which at current valuation looks extremely attractive, and investors can look into buying Aster DM. The fifth stock which we like to talk about is a PSU stock where we have been bullish for some time, Bharat Electronics. Fantastic company with an excellent cash flows and great track record of execution. Make in India for defense by the government definitely gives significant advantage to Bharat Electronics, which is in defense electronics. The order book is significant and the pricing structure has been resolved by the government once for all. We believe that the stock can significantly move up from current levels and reward the investors.
It was great having you, sir, with us.
I wish all the Ticker TV viewers a very happy and prosperous 2020. I hope 2020 brings a lot of prosperity to the viewers of Ticker TV.
Thank you for being with us, sir. For more updates, keep watching Ticker TV.